Colku RV Air Conditioner GCA Series Installation Guide video. The dimensional requirement of the hole for installation. Placing the installation positioning frame. Pay attention to distinguishing the front and back sides. Then fix the positioning frame to the roof with glass glue. The top surface of the positioning frame should also be coated with glass glue. Install 4 long screws on the base of the external unit of the air conditioner. Then place the external unit of the air conditioner on the positioning frame hole position and remove the long screws.
Connecting the air conditioner wires with the original camper wires by buckles according to their colors. Hiding these 3 wires under the air conditioner base. When installing the hardware bracket, it is necessary to place the long side of the air outlet parallel to the protrusion surface of the hardware bracket, fixing the empty corners of the hardware bracket with flat rings and screws. Stacking the air guiding foam based on the thickness of the camper roof. Placing the properly thickness air guide foam on the back of the air conditioner air distributor. Connecting the wire. Installing the nuts into the 4 holes to fix the air distributor. According to the code, buckle in the exterior panel. Pulling out the dust screens on both sides of the air conditioner and install 4 fixing screws. Finally, install the air conditioner dust screen back, and the air conditioner is finished the installation.